I'm trying to organize all this lumber I just got from a friend. And I got all these yellow pine boards here. There's 10 of them. They're about 8 feet long each. A lot of them are in really nice condition. Apparently they were rejects that a local sawyer couldn't sell to Lowe's for fence boards or something like that. So my friend gave them to me after he was given them by the local sawyer. Then I got this board here, which is like almost like a tiger fir. I've got this board here, which is a wide piece of pine. From that same friend, I got all this cedar. All that cedar there. Then this is it's a reclaimed cypress, 10 foot long. So you can see it's reclaimed by the electrical outlet relief hole or whatever. I got some slabs of walnut. Then here we got reclaimed barn. Then I've got cedar. Well, cedar right here, you can't see it. And then I've got another slab of walnut. So I got 3 slabs of walnut, 4 slabs actually of walnut. No, 3 of walnut. Then I got another cedar slab here. And then, well, just a piece of cedar. Then I got some cherry that you can see. Those 3 pieces right there are blocks of cherry. So standing back, just look at the haul I got here. I got all that, plus the cherry up there. Got that board. That's not plywood, believe it or not. That is real honest to goodness wood. Solid wood, that is to say. Got that board, and then I got all that up there. There might be something else, I don't even remember at this point, but pretty impressive.